So for Set For You collection, Cartier, this is the new venture for the brand house, wherein they want to express the opportunity for their customer to experience the true luxury by means of customizing their own sunglasses. Customers, so we have four signature shapes from Cartier design, which is Rene de Cartier, de Corsi Metal, de Corsi Cassidy, and de Corsi Wood. So from this selection, which one do you like now?
Yung wood.
Wood, you also want the de Corsi Wood. So the next step would be the shape, the pilot, the rectangle, and the oval. So which shape you want?
Ano ba yung babagay sa face shape mo? So,
For your face shape, I think the oval one would fit to you.
okay, sige go.
So let's choose, for example, the oval one. So next step would be the color. So these are the options for the color. We have the solid ones, and we have also the gradient, which are the gray, purple, burgundy, and green. And for the gradient ones, we have the dark green to light green, the burgundy to apricot, purple to pink, and gradient gray. So which colors do you want? Do you want for your dance?
This one.
That-
Ganun mo din. Oh.
This is how it's looking right now. So for the temples, let's move on to the temple finish. So for the temple finish, we have two options. We have the platinum one, and we also have the gold one. So which one for the metal finish you would? The gold one fits you.
Sige, gold tayo.
Gold. We have the natural wood, and we have the burgundy red.
Natural wood.
So natural wood.
Yeah.
So for the size, you can try on to fit which, so we can identify which size you are.
So this is just for sizing purposes pa lang.
Is it too large? Does it slip to your nose, ma? When you look down?
Okay naman.
Okay naman. How about this one? You can try this
Parang
one.
malaki.
You can try this one. Does that one fits you better?
That's okay.
Yeah. So you, technically, ma'am, you're a medium size, so you're 56. So you can also customize by Cartier will engrave your initials here on the foreground.
And high X.
So you have also option to choose what font you like. So we have green and black, we have black, and we also have black. So which one do you like? So you want the classic. So there you go, ma'am. This is your eyewear. So the eyewear being, technically the Set For You collection is available exclusive at Vision Express. We only have one of this in the entire country, and three for Asia, which is Singapore and Hong Kong and Philippines. So it is a very exclusive collection.
And then the second step is for you to identify yung color guide natin. This is based on your hair color. So,
siya.
So that when you choose your glasses, when you pag try on mo na siya, your brain should see a lot higher than your eyebrows. Nandito, pag suot mo yung glasses mo, hindi siya mabuo. It sits right on your eye. So, meron ka rin.
Ah,
Hindi siya nakareach.
Sa consultation.
masaya. May bago ko na.
Vision Care. So if you take a look at your, well, on my left hand side, in as little as 3 minutes, you can get a 3-page comprehensive eye exam. We're talking thesis defense levels of accuracy. How is that? Well, let me tell you. It is called the Vision Bot. We're talking AI technology, exclusive to Vision Express. I'm so sorry if I'm getting a little bit flustered right now because as you can see, my snakeskin dress, it was stored during the pandemic. And as I sat down earlier, it tore. But see, the theme for today is summer solstice. Solstice means the end in the beginning, like a snake shedding its skin. These tests can get such precision, not just on your eyes, but even, like, I believe even your health, like your cholesterol levels, how long you've been in sin. It's like a soul detection of how many wives you've had in the past 10 years. I'm telling you, it is so precise. It will even tell you how you can get rid of those rose-tinted lenses if you are so in love with the wrong person. It is so good. I tried it and it works. Apparently he is God, but we'll call him Executive Director. Ladies and gentlemen, let's bring in Vision Express's dynamic duo siblings, Managing Director and Executive Director, Nila and Karan Gopwani. Hi Bianca, thank you so much everybody. Welcome to Summer Solstice. For hypertension, cholesterol, and it's the most advanced eye exam in the Philippines today. So please do that on your left, and then on the right, we have an eye styling. Today, everybody needs to get styled from the face shape to the... Make sure it actually fits you.
Last year, from Japan to showcase the renowned brands like Gucci, Bottega Veneta, Saint Laurent, and the pinnacle of personalized luxury, which is Cartier.
Let the fashion show begin.
Thank you.
largest retailer of luxury eyewear, Vision Express. And of course,